VidIQ full review. Let's go. When you first log in, you're going to be brought to the dashboard, and this is going to have information about you. So, any task that you set for yourself, any goal that you add, and any other thing that it shows based on your YouTube channel if you have it linked with this one. The next one is daily ideas. And this can be used if you just want different ideas on what kind of video to do. And it also has a view prediction function here that's going to show you or predict how many views this topic is going to have. So, for example, let's put in garlic, and let's see what it predicts here. So the one with the highest view prediction is going to be 5 helpful tips for cooking with garlic, whereas 5 easy ways to prepare garlic for dishes probably is going to have medium amount of views. So it's pretty interesting. I don't know how it takes that information, but my guess is it does it based on all the YouTube videos the system has actually watched. So it can be a useful tool that you can follow. Next one is AI generator, and this is pretty interesting. You just put in any topic or sentence or however in depth you want. But let's continue with garlic. So once we put it in, it's actually going to generate us everything that we need for a video. So we have the title, The Incredible Powers of Garlic Unveiled, a closer look at its health benefits. It has the full description here. It has all the keywords. It has the thumbnail background. It even does a video script and a voiceover for it. So this video script, you can actually feed it into any AI video generation like Pictory, and it's going to make the video for you essentially. Then the next one is keywords, and this I guess is what's used the most is the keyword tool. So you can find out how many searches any keyword gets, what the competition is like, and also what the overall score is. Plus, you have the rising keywords here that shows you what the rising keywords are for the month, for this week, and even for today. So today, the rising keyword is beast philanthropy, and then some other ones here. But let's look at some specific keywords here. So when we look at garlic, see that the search volume is 50,000, which is pretty high, but the competition is 82 out of 100, so that's very high. And based on that, it gives the overall score of 39, which is pretty low. Now, we can also look at the matching terms and related keywords. So, for example, matching terms, let's look at the overall highest scores. So, garlic OS, and then some other random ones here. But garlic press is also one that a lot of people search for where the competition is low. But this is very broad. So let's go a little bit into more detail. So instead of garlic, let's put garlic health and see what it brings up now. Well, search volume is a lot lower, competition is very similar. But when you look at matching terms, then let's see, lemon garlic chicken recipe, and then the next one is 11 proven health benefits of garlic. So it has 1,800 searches, but the competition is very low. So the overall score is 69, which can be a very good keyword to target, especially for newer YouTube channels that want to target those very low competition keywords that still have some search volume. And there's also the questions tab here that's going to show you what questions people search for based on those keywords. So here we see that the one with the highest overall score is what are the 11 proven health benefits of garlic. Now, the next one is the next tab here is competitors, and this you can actually put in the YouTube channels of your competitors. So you're actually going to see a lot of data about them. So I just started my YouTube channel. I don't know who my competitors are quite yet, so I don't have that info filled in. For subscribers, this is where you can get all the data about your subscribers, but because I barely have any, I don't see anything here. The same is for SEO. It's actually going to look at your channel and you're going to give you feedback on your SEO, but for me, it's blank. Next one, we have Max, and Max is the coach here, I guess, where you can look at his videos on how to get more subscribers, how to get more views, and so on. And then the last one is AI Coach, and this is pretty cool feature as well. It's an AI chatbot similar to ChatGPT, and it's built on the same system, but it's been fed a lot of YouTube data, so that all the answers that it gives you is going to be more geared towards YouTube's SEO, keywords, etc. And you can actually use the advanced version, which takes your channel data into account when it gives you answers, or you can use the basic one that's going to give you more general answers without really looking at your YouTube channel. And this is it for vidIQ. If you want to use vidIQ, you can use my affiliate link that's in the description, or don't. And thanks for watching.